What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframe zoom in CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your CapCut project and then select your clip from the timeline. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom effect to begin. On the right side editing panel, click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon next to scale. This creates your starting keyframe. Remember to leave the scale at 100% for the beginning of the effect. Now move the playhead further along the timeline. Increase the scale value to zoom into the clip. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe with the new zoom level. When you play the clip back, the video smoothly zooms out from the first keyframe into the second one. And that's how you can add a keyframe zoom in CapCut.